आगे बढ़ूंगी.
Great
दीदी बोल
success.
दो. अब मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी. Okay, so the game that I'm having is I'll be providing you with the three products. Okay, I'll be giving you three things, and you have to draft a small story on the spot. Okay, so what do you want? Like I shall go individually, or I shall be random, like giving three items, and who all are interested can give up like stories, and who will be first will be given the opportunity, and for the second round, that person will be eliminated so that others can also get the chance.
It's better to give individually.
Individually. Okay, so you all wanted this class to be a story class because individually it will be a story class. Okay, so who wants to come first?
Ma'am, ma'am, me.
Satakshi ma'am. We'll start with Satakshi ma'am. Okay. Okay. And so now Satakshi ma'am. Okay. The three products that I'll be giving you is
अच्छे words दियो.
forest, torch, ghost.
एक काम कर, तू मुझे बचा दे फॉरेस्ट में, मैं एक घोस्ट बन जाती हूँ और मैं ही टॉर्च लेके घूम जाती हूँ हाथ में पटकते हुए.
Story,
Ma'am,
story, story.
ma'am, give unrelated words. Nah, it will be more funny. Like they are
Unrelated.
related.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ.
Satakshi ma'am was my sister, so like we can have a partiality over here. For the next, it's going to be very difficult.
Okay, so torch, ghost and forest and Satakshi fish, right?
Okay.
Let me think. Just give me 2 seconds to think. Just 2 seconds, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. In a dark jungle, there was a girl, looking beautiful. She was wearing a very good dress, and one day her father told that Satakshi, let's go to the forest and cut some wood. Satakshi was very happy. She held her father's hand. She went into the forest, and unfortunately, she she just sat down for a while because she was feeling so thirsty. She sat down under a tree just to take rest, and as soon as she opened her eyes, she didn't find her father. Her father was lost. She was so worried, tensed. She was feeling like, oh gosh, someone will kill me. Oh gosh, there's a ghost. These superstitious things were coming inside her mind, and she was feeling very scared. As soon as she walked a little further, she find a dense forest. There were owls on the trees. There were so many birds who were chirping. A lion. She heard a voice of an animal, and the voice was a roaring voice. She understood that it's a lion. She moved again further. Tick tock. She was wearing a pretty shoes. That shoes got broken. She was really crying. As soon as she started screaming, the lion come near to her. She was again afraid. What to do? Where to go? There was lion and there was Satakshi. They were like standing. यार मुझे डर लग रहा है, मैं नहीं बोल रही यार, ये तो स्टोरी रियल हो जाएगी. Oh God, नहीं, stop. That lion will kill me in my dreams, na? I'm not moving from that.
Ma'am, you were having ghost, not a lion.
Whatever.
Ghost
This was in my dream.
Ghost
was
was
in my
not
dream.
included in the story.
I didn't
Ma'am,
took ghost.
Disqualified.
I didn't took ghost.
Okay. Next, who's going? Next. Okay, Padmaja ma'am. Okay, first Padmaja ma'am and then Samiksha ma'am will be having. Okay, so Padmaja ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
go for pen, coffee mug and dance. This is your idea to get something unrelated in a game. You're
I will
having
play
pen,
background music. I will give
coffee
background
mug
music.
and dance.
Yeah. Only 5 seconds.
Okay.
Just take 10 seconds. Don't have an issue, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
What it is? Coffee mug, pen,
Yeah.
and dance.
Coffee mug
How
with
can we
coffee or
guess?
without coffee?
With
With
coffee.
coffee. Cappuccinos.
Yeah. Um.
Any
Okay,
random
fine.
story. Like
Yes,
if it
yes,
is
yes.
funny, then it's best.
Yes, yes, yes. Um, so one day I was writing a story. I was writing a story with my pen, and my friend, my best friend, my mentor, my baby, my Srileka gave me a coffee, and she was taking revenge on me because I was not talking to her. So she added something in the coffee. So when I drank that coffee, I became mental and I started dancing. I started dancing, so I started dancing
That
on,
coffee, that coffee was having like a poison of
yeah,
dancing
something,
element.
yeah, some kind of. So I started dancing like
On
a
which song?
pagal.
On which song?
No, no songs.
Sakshi ma'am,
Like,
song is not
like a
included.
lunatic. No, I started, yes, like a, lunatic person, I started dancing. And the next thing was, my parents came and they took me to the asylum. And the story ends there.
Pa, pa,
Nice one, nice
pa,
one.
pa,
Very
pa,
nice.
pa, pa,
Very
pa,
nice
pa,
creativity.
Just see the comment, ma'am. Just see the comment. Oh my God. Just see the message.
But I think this can be a short YouTube video, like those comedy videos.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
so
like
next we are having
super
Samiksha ma'am,
cringe.
right? Yes, of course. Next we are having Samiksha ma'am. Okay. So see
Ma'am,
as
after that, ma'am, please give something very stupid to my friend because just see the message she gave. She wanted this to come true. Oh my God.
okay. Okay, we'll take your events, no issues. Okay, be as creative as you can. Okay, don't put any like limitations on your thinking, like thinking only this much. Start thinking this much. Like involve so many things on your own that you can make it more and more creative. Okay, don't just restrict to this one only. If I've given three words, try to use at least so many of words so that you can be more and more creative. Okay, so next we are having Samiksha ma'am. Sakshi ma'am, you're disturbing my class.
This is the sound of an hospital car. Like she told us she's in the hospital. So pa 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 pa
Sakshi
pa
ma'am,
Not
relax.
even normal hospital. I was in asylum.
pa
Okay,
pa.
next story. Wait, next story. Okay, next we are having Samiksha ma'am.
My keyboard.
Huh?
Okay, so keywords are a house, mother, and a broken cup.
ये तो बहुत खतरनाक बनने वाली स्टोरी.
2 seconds. Okay, here I go. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there was a house. It was isolated from every which way. In that house lived a couple who were going to have a baby. One day, the husband went out hunting so the wife could have a delicious meal at night, but he went missing. Now, in that house, the woman lived alone while she was going to give birth to a child. She was so worried to become a mom on her own, so she went out and searched for her husband. So when she went out of the house, she saw that her husband takes every day. Uh,
Sakshi ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, mute yourself or else I'll mute you.
Ma'am, I'm giving background music to the story. Na that story will be felt better. That's why I'm giving a background music.
background music. So she went out at night and she saw the path the husband takes. She went in search for her husband. She was worried for her child and her husband, so she took the path. And on the way, she saw a broken tree on the middle of the road. That was not before when she had
Broken was cup, not a tree.
broken cup. The cup is not broken yet. The cup is there. The tree is on the road. There's a tree branch on the road, and there she saw that another path has branched out from there, and her husband's things were on the way. He went on that road, finding some things from his sack that he had taken that day, like broken cup, and her husband axe and everything, and she went on the way and saw that her husband was by the river, bound to a tree. She went there to help him and asked what had happened, and came to know that a burglar has gone and tied him to that tree and taken whatever he had earned that day. But she helped her husband, and they went and lived happily ever after.
If
Okay.
I would have got this, ma'am, what my story would be? I'm in a room, my dad in the office, I broke the cup, and I got a slap from the mother, and that would be my story. Simple and cute and funny.
Ma'am, after that, whatever we are like, whatever will happen, that is a history.
That will happen this.
That's a history. Okay. So next, who's coming next? Be
Ma'am,
creative, be alert, quick. Khushi, ma'am. Okay. Okay, Khushi, ma'am. So you are getting radio, lion, and tree.
Radio, lion and tree.
Hmm.
रेडियो को पता नहीं, लॉयन मुझे ही खा जाएगा, पेड़ का भी पता नहीं। मैं और लॉयन, ये ठीक है। आप मुझे लॉयन को दे दीजिए मैम। साक्षी, लॉयन एंड ट्री ये रख लीजिए आप। खुशी, ओ खुशी,
मैं दिख रही हूँ क्या?
तुम देख नहीं रहे, तुम स्टक हो गई हो, स्क्रीन स्टक हो गई है, अब तुम गायब हो
अरे
चुकी हो।
यार, नहीं पता नहीं क्यों ये अपने आप ही ऑफ हो जा रहा है मेरे फोन का कैमरा।
कुछ खराबी हो रही है, तुम फिर से रिज्वाइन करो।
हाँ, मैं फिर से रिजॉइन करती हूँ।
खुशी मैम कहाँ है? खुशी मैम, चलो कर दी। दीक्षा मैम,
yes, ma'am.
सामने आओ जरा, आपके लिए स्टोरी है।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चेयर, एग एंड मैन। चेयर, एग एंड मैन।
Man.
इंसान, पर्सन, पर्सन। हाँ,
Okay. Uh, one night when I was sleeping, I heard some voice from the kitchen. Uh, then I went to the kitchen. I saw a man sitting on a chair. I thought he is a thief. Uh, so for my defense, I found nothing but eggs. I threw those eggs on his head and
no,
ran back
don't
to
use
my
the
room.
word, don't use the word eggs are, use hatched। टूट गया वो, hatched, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
Eggs
So
are
should I
hatched
use
by
it?
the men।
So eggs. Sorry.
As
What
soon
would be
as I
the
saw the
sentence then?
man, the eggs were
Okay.
hatched by the man as soon as he sat on the chair।
Okay. So as soon as I saw that man, the eggs were hatched on that man, and then I ran back to my room and closed the door. That's it.
And I started laughing and giggling।
Yeah. Yeah. I started laughing and
Okay, amazing। Mayank sir, good beta, very good।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, your is bike,
Okay.
X
X.
and Mayank।
Okay, ma'am.
Bike, BIKE, XAXE, हथौड़ा, बाइक हथौड़ा और मयंक।
X मैम
AXE
कुल्हाड़ी
is
होती है।
कुल्हाड़ी।
हाँ कुला, अरे हाँ जो भी बोलते हैं उसको यार, जो पेड़ काटने से पेड़ काटते हैं।
हथौड़ा ही hammer।
Okay.
हथौड़े डिफरेंट, हाँ। कम ऑन स्टार्ट।
Okay, मैम।
हिंदी में उसको क्या, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं एक्स को? मुझे हिंदी में नहीं पता एक्स का मतलब।
कुल्हाड़ी।
कुल्हाड़ी।
अच्छा।
Once upon a time, Mayank and his friend traveling on his bike.
वाइफ भी है उसकी।
Mayank and his friend traveling on his bike.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा वाइफ,
नहीं, ma'am.
मुझे लगा मयंक एंड हिज फ्रेंड एंड हिज वाइफ। मैं वाइफ कहाँ से आ गई, मुझे बाइक पता था। ठीक है, बोलो, वेरी गुड।
Okay. They are passing through the jungle.
हाँ।
Then suddenly Mayank see a man cutting trees from his axe.
हाँ।
Uh, Okay, ma'am, I will start again.
हाँ ओके कोई बात नहीं, स्टार्ट
Mayank and his friend traveling on his bike. They are passing through a jungle. There and after some time, their bike is broken down. Okay, they are in the jungle. They are searching for help.
हाँ
Then they see a man
सी नहीं
cutting.
सी नहीं बेटा, they saw a man, stop, देखा
They
है।
saw a man. Okay,
हाँ
okay, ma'am. Sorry. They saw a man cutting trees in the jungle. Then his Mayank friend went to him and asked for help.
ये क्या, ये
Suddenly,
खुद ही बोल रहा है, ये खुद ही स्टोरी बना रहा है। बाइक गिरी, उसने हेल्प मांगी, वो फिर हेल्प मांगने जा रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मयंक?
मैम बता, तो जंगल में हेल्प लेने ही तो गया है, वो आदमी दिखा उन्हें जंगल में।
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है फिर।
ओके, सडनली हम चुड़ैल को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
किसको?
चुड़ैल
चुड़ैल बिच बिच
विच। Suddenly
Which
the
man?
man turned into the witch. The
ओ भाई, ये क्या बना रहा है स्टोरी, ये क्या बना रहा है?
story
ये story थी।
Suddenly they
The
saw
man
man
turned
turned into witch. Ghost भी नहीं, witch.
Ma'am, this is the best one. The man turned into it.
मयंक सर, वो मैन भूत नहीं बना, घोस्ट ही बना, वो विच बन गया। जेंडर चेंज हो गया उसके बनने के बाद।
अब भूत को क्या पता मैम जेंडर क्या होता है?
ये सब क्रेजी स्टोरी है मैम।
ओ भाई, गजब
मैम
मैन को क्या पता कि वो विच है कि घोस्ट है। बढ़िया से
okay,
answer
continue.
Okay, and the Mayank friend is scared as hell, and then Mayank screamed from behind. See in her eyes. See in her eyes. See in her eyes. Mayank's friend is scared as hell. Mayank screamed from behind. Just see in her eyes.
हाँ
Then the famous dialogue comes. हाँ से देखे उसकी
Ma'am, ये स्त्री का
These three dialogues.
ओ भाई, सबसे बेस्ट भाई, सबसे बेस्ट।
Ma'am, this is what we were expecting. Okay, continue.
पहले वो भूत नहीं, पहले वो लड़का चेंज हुआ बिच में।
चुड़ैल।
वो बोलता है मुझे क्या पता है कि मैं बिच हूँ कि मैं जेंडर हूँ, मुझे जेंडर नहीं पता। ठीक है, फिर डालो आके क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, सर आप क्या बोल रहे हो, क्या बोल जा रहे हो?
नहीं, this is the level of creativity, ma'am. Seriously, this is the level of creativity.
गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, अमेजिंग, वेरी गुड।
Okay, continue.
मेरी मम्मी कहती पागल हो गई, हंस क्यों रही है, मैं बताऊँ मुझे कुछ नहीं।
मैम होगी ना, द डायलॉग जनरेटेड ऑफ द स्त्री मूवी। कहाँ से देखे उसकी आंखों में हमारी फटी बड़ी है।
ये टू नाइट काम है, इसको बुलाना, ओपन माइक में बुलाना, इसको बहुत जरूरत है ओपन माइक में एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, इसको रखना है ओपन माइक में। चलो आगे
For the convenience purpose, मयंक का या की जो फ्रेंड थी उसका एक नाम रखा जा सकता था।
हाँ
You were like explaining her every time, her or him, whoever was that, as Mayank's friend. That person didn't have.
he was saying he was not knowing about the gender, कि वो बिच है कि वो होस्ट वो है, क्या वो भूत है, हमें उसका जेंडर नहीं पता।
मैम आपने मूवीज में देखा होगा, जो भूत मैम जो घोस्ट है वो जेंडर चेंज कर देता है।
मैंने तो ये वाली मूवीज देखी नहीं है, वो भूत वाली में डर जाती हूँ।
मैं बहुत देखता हूँ।
मैम लक्ष्मी में भी ऐसा ही होता है।
मैम भूत को क्या पता उसका जेंडर क्या है?
ये देखो दूसरी आई है।
एग्जैक्टली मैम, लक्ष्मी में भी तो यही था।
Ma'am, I
हाँ,
think
लक्ष्मी।
Mayank sir is watching Fear Files every day.
मुझे भी लग रहा है आजकल कम सर देखिए कभी पिक्चर ऐसी बनी।
Okay. Let's get back to the track. Who's next? Quickly, quickly, quickly raise your hands. Shrilekha ma'am. Shrilekha ma'am.
Ma'am, revenge
Shrilekha
time.
ma'am.
Don't
Shut up.
forget.
Okay. Okay, so you are having lantern, white sari, and a phone.
अरे भैया रे, मैम कहाँ से ला रहे हो स्टोरीज आप इतनी भयंकर कैरेक्टर्स?
Lantern, white sari, and phone. Shrilekha ma'am, go for it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Give me a second. स्टार्ट भाई, स्टार्ट. व्हाइट साड़ी, विजार्ड, क्या बोलूं मैं? भूतों का तो फिर कोई नहीं होता जेंडर, तो भूत, बिच, जो बोलना बोलूं. Lantern, white saree, and phone, ma'am. Do not call me. Do not call me with your phone. Never call me after you saw a bitch. Now don't call me. Delete my number on the spot. Okay, so there were two friends. Name is Padmaja and Srilekha. They both are best friends. So they thought of going for a sightseeing on a fine night. Fine night. So what they have planned many things on their phone, like what they want to gather. Like they have gathered the food, like in order to spend the night with some kind of burgers and pizzas, and as well as also mats, and as well as also the huts which they are carrying. So they have carried everything with them. So they started walking, and once they have reached a place that was very quite silent, and they can hear a single sound also very well. So they have carried everything, but the one which they have forgot to take, it was lantern. So they have forgot the lantern. So there was everything. So as the night is getting too dark, there was no light, and they are finding for a matchbox which they didn't brought accidentally. So once they have found there's a small light coming from the trees, and they both started walking. So
No,
Padmaja is she
beta,
is
beta.
very mysterious.
Light never comes from the tree. या तो come behind the trees, या फिर
Yeah.
do not use the word from means मतलब उसमें से वो नहीं होगा. Light में trees से कोई light नहीं आती है. So use the light came from behind the trees. Okay?
Behind the tree. So they have observed that the light is coming behind the trees. So her friend Padmaja, Srilekha friend Padmaja, she is very mischievous. Like whatever she sees, she have a habit of going and catching it. So what she have done, Padmaja? She have run so fastly in order to see that light which is coming behind from the tree, and she went. So there she has saw a pretty woman, like she's very beautiful with her long hairs and her with her long nails too, and also with a beautiful white saree by having a red bindi on her face. Right? So Padmaja, she's like, wow, very good. Why can't she make a company for us today to our night? Like we can sing with her, we can dance with her.
Padmaja is saying this.
Yes, and yes, Padmaja is saying this. Srilekha, which she know the mindset of the Padmaja, she said that okay, fine, because Padmaja is very stubborn, and she know that she can't stop her. So what they have done, they have asked that woman, can you please give your lantern for us? We want to borrow for this night. So what that white sari woman, what did she say? So why should I give to you my white lantern to you? What is my benefit? So they said that like you can accompany with us for this night. Like we also have the food which you can take it. So they three started walking to the place where they have all their belongings. So Padmaja was so happy, like she was handing the lantern. I got the lantern. I got the lantern. So she was walking in front. So what her friend Srilekha, she's like bit feared because she don't believe strangers too easily. So she was fearing like what should I say now. So she suddenly turned her face back, and she saw that white saree woman is only having a neck, face, and hands, but not legs. No
Amazing.
legs. That white saree
Very
girl,
good.
she's no legs. She's having no legs, and she was like, "Why she's not having legs? Or else she's having, she's wearing some kind of like which cannot be seen like anything kind of. She's wearing some kind of a socks." So she immediately said that, "Okay, fine, let's make a deal with that ghost." Srilekha had a deal with that ghost that okay, let's behave that. See, I don't tell you are the ghost, and we must not like disclose to this Padmaja. What we'll do while she's sleeping, I will escape from here by taking the lantern. Like you can happily enjoy Padmaja there in that night.
Amazing, beta. Very good. Good story. insanity. But amazing. The story, it has a good, like the characters are
Actually,
properly
like she thought like so instantly and such a very long story with a creativity. That was quite
amazing.
good.
Good, very
This
good.
is what the if this activity is all about. Like your creativity, we want to see how creative you can be.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we have Gorish next?
Thank you,
Who?
ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. Amazing. Gorish, Gorish.
Okay, Gaurish.
Gorish.
Gaurish sir. Gaurish sir isn't responding. So who wants to come next if Gaurish sir is not
Khushi.
responding?
Oh, Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
You start the story. Ma'am, give her a topic.
No, ma'am, I'm very bad at storytelling. वो गलती से hand
no.
raise हो गया था उस time पे.
You can do it. You can do it, beta. Have trust on you. Be confident, okay? You can do it.
Khushi ma'am was like I gave her those 3 words, na?
Hmm.
She didn't told. Like radio, lion and tree.
Ma'am, trust
Khushi
me,
ma'am?
सब लोग टमाटर मारेंगे मुझे.
Ma'am, no problem. Virtual tomato won't affect you even. They won't reach to you even.
Start. Khushi, start. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Let's move to Nicole. Nicole, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. So you heard the 3 words, right? That I gave to Khushi ma'am. You will be continuing with that.
Ma'am,
That's
could you
radio.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the word?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm repeating it. Radio, lion and tree.
Radio, line, and tree. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so a long time ago, no, once upon a time. So I used to, no, not once upon a time. Okay, so one day I decided to visit a village. So there was a forest nearby. So I took my radio and I sat by a tree. It was a really huge tree. So I turned on my radio and then I decided to listen to music and then relax under the big tree. Then suddenly a lion came by and he was actually staring at me because the music was on and the lion was confused whether he should eat me or to continue enjoying the music. And then I suddenly woke up from my short nap and I saw this lion standing in front of me. And then within, like, I was shocked and I did not know what to do. So since I can't climb the tree, I had no other choice but to run. I didn't take my radio. I started running. But the lion stood there listening to the music, enjoying. So that's the end of the story. I think I was saved by that radio by the end of the day.
Very unique, very creatively thought. Like lion was so loyal that he started hearing the music and he didn't eat you. Wow, so loyal he was. Music saved you. Yes, Neha ma'am, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who's next? Come forward on your own. I don't want to pick anyone up. I want everyone to come on your own.
Ma'am, I think this is the only story which has the optimistic element. All other stories were wicked and pessimistic. They were like killing or, doing something to each other. Yeah.
So Nicole ma'am, you got a positive feedback that this story was very optimistic.
Yeah, no one were harmed.
Yes. So whatever you feel like about the story that the other person is saying now, please feel free to write in the chat box that motivates the person to be more creative. Okay, like
Guys,
if you
see,
are
that's the point. Very good, Shraddha ma'am. That's the point to be in a conclusion. That is, whenever you find someone speaking, do motivate the person, because motivation plays a very important role in debate and all this stuff. So if you are just smiling on the person feels scared and he will be feel afraid. He will not speak. Then conclusion will be that his confidence will get lower down. So we don't want that.
exactly like
Just
if you feel like something is very attractive or like something is very good, so like since someone is speaking, so you can't like switch on your mic. So you what you can do now, you can write it on the chat box. When it pops up with the name now, that the person is enjoying or the person is like the audience is loving, that it really feels like awesome. The person who says it or lol, it seems like wow, someone is enjoying that.
amazing. Yes, ma'am. That's true.
Okay, so next, quickly. Come quickly on your own, or I'll pick anyone. I'll pick Sneha ma'am. Samiksha ma'am, you were given the word, right? You spoke.
No, ma'am. I was going to say I want to volunteer my friend, Divya.
Okay, no problem. I'll take her after Sneha ma'am. Sneha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Mhm.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so the word that you're having is camera, cold drink, and diamond.
Wow. Cool drink.
Yes, camera,
And
cold drink, and diamond.
diamond. Okay. Just give me 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ready. Yes. There was a girl named Sneha, and she was fond of taking photography. And someone has gifted her a camera, and she was traveling around for taking creative and amazing photographies. And one day, she was yes, she was in a bakery, and she saw a foreigner. She was drinking a cool drink, and Sneha Sneha took a beautiful photo of her and showed to the foreigner. And so, by mm, the foreigner liked her photo very much, and she gave her a diamond necklace. Yes, ma'am, story end. Sneha was very happy.
Okay, so where is the diamond like necklace, please? And who was that foreigner, please? Inform.
No, ma'am, Sneha has what to say? Sneha, she took the diamond necklace to her home and made it a memory of that foreigner.
Yes, Padmajaman, exactly. We also want to meet that foreigner. Okay, so next. Very well said, Sneha ma'am. Very nice story.
Thank you,
Who's
ma'am. Thank
next?
you.
Be quick, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As Samiksha picked me out, and thank you, Samiksha, for motivating me in the backstage also, not only here. Okay, so I will try my best. Though I'm not good, but I will do my best.
Okay. So you are having 3 words as I didn't heard Prabhat sir till now. I want Prabhat sir next. Okay, for sure. For sure. We'll have Prabhat sir next. Okay. So
This is
your
the games,
3 words.
Gaurish. These are the games. What games you want? Like we will allow you. Just give us a 10 minutes. Let's stop with this speaking part, because speaking part is important in personal development. Then only you start with the games.
This is first, ma'am. Ma'am, we can have that picture game too that we were planning after this. Okay. So Dibyadarshini ma'am, your 3 words are shirt, spectacles, and flower. Shirt, spectacles, and Flower. How can I depict that flower? Okay, shirt, spectacles, and flower. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
unmute
unmute.
yourselves.
Unmute.
Okay, sorry. Before so many years, I was spending my days with my grandparents, like my grandma and grandpa, and most of the time with my grandpa. And one fine day, my grandpa used to always use spectacles. But one day, I just surprised him, and with his beautiful rose flower, and stolen her spectacle from him. And I just got the tone of my grandma, like, hey, in Odia. Hey, iti sunuja. This is in Odia language actually. Hey, iti sunuja. Ami tumake bhalobasi. So my grandpa doesn't have a spectacles in his eyes, and she can't even understood actually who is proposing him, my grandma or me. But he nicely told to grandma, "Tumi soti boluchi," and picked the flower from me. And told me, "I love you too," and in Odia language. So, and it's a better ending with two wonderful couples. And I just saw and enjoyed the scenery, or enjoyed the beautiful moment of my family.
You can use the word, instead of using moments, you can use the word "I cherish the scenario."
I cherish the scenario a
cherish
lot.
the scenario.
A lot. Ma'am. Thank you,
Amilo
ma'am.
Bhashi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I love you too.
Wow. Okay, so next we are having Prabhat sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So it's time for a story. Okay, quick story. So your words are car. Okay, car, banana peel, and shoes.
Car, banana peel, and shoes.
Right.
So, once upon a time, a couple was going through a car, and their car got stuck. Due to sewage construction, and couple came down to check what is the problem that car had got stuck. So the lady was wearing a shoe, and somebody had eaten a banana and put the peel on the road. She didn't saw, and she was wearing a high heel sandal, and unfortunately she fell down. She had kept her leg on the banana peel and fell down into that sewage hole. That's all, ma'am.
Very good, Prabhat sir. Very creative. Nice one. So, what do you want? Like, continue with this story part only, or you want to play other games?
Ma'am, other
Let's play
games.
another game.
Who all are left?
Ma'am, other game.
Who have said no?
Other game.
Their responses won't be taken. Responses of those people will be taken who haven't participated. Like,
Ma'am, let's have a singing like type of thing. Like we can have a damsharas. What type of thing? Like damsharas is the thing, na, which we like.
we can
No,
have it after the
Damshara
class.
is different. Damshara is different from singing.
Ma'am, please don't do anything singing. I'm tone deaf.
No, we can have mimicry acts. Mimicry acts.
Ma'am, we can ask.
Ma'am
like, we
singing.
can ask
Sanobar ma'am
those-
sings very well.
we can ask those people who haven't participated. Okay, like what is their view? Do they want to have the stories? Like if they want to make the stories, then we will continue with the story part. Or if they want another thing, so we can go for another things too.
Okay, ma'am.
So please respond who haven't participated yet. I want
Ma'am,
responses from them.
Another thing.
Sanobar ma'am is saying another thing.
I'll also
Sanobar
say
ma'am sings very well.
I'll say except Sanoba ma'am because she's very active and she will say another game. I know. Okay, so I want the answer from Haritha ma'am and Jyotirmay ma'am. Ma'am, continue with the story part or we should go with any other game?
Story part.
Story
Ma'am,
part.
ask Pankaj sir also. Include one male also, na? In this.
Yeah, of course.
Ma'am,
Pankaj sir,
story part.
story part. This is what I'm saying, na? They're enjoying it. Okay. So next
Everyone,
we
open
would.
up your cameras. Come on, everyone, open up your cameras today. Come on, we'll play a game together. Come on.
मम्मी आप मेरा लाइट छीन ली यार. सॉरी. किसी ने सुना क्या?
सुन लिया हमने, हमारे कान बिल्कुल बजे हुए
सबने
बज
सुन
गए.
लिया मैम.
अरे यार तो मतलब
ये सिद्धि मैम, सिद्धि मैम, जरा देखो तो किसने कैमरा ऑन नहीं करा, जरा सबके कैमरा ऑन. मैं सबका शक्ल देखूंगी.
शीतल मैम, प्रीति मैम, शिखा मैम, गौरी सर, हाँ, ओके, प्रभात सर, ज्योतिर्मय. Please turn on your cameras.
Guys, turn on your camera.
Khushi and Pragyan Parimitananda.
Come on, open your camera. Today is a class of entertainment, not a class of boring. मुझे boring नहीं करनी है
But
class.
actually, I had on the camera during storytelling, no, ma'am.
नहीं इसमें भी करो बेटा, ऑन करो कैमरा. आपकी नहीं अच्छी तो बेटा वैसे क्यों
I
सुना?
had some network issue, ma'am.
हाँ?
Okay, ma'am, no issues. Let them like take the initiative because it's for them, na. How can we force anybody if they don't want their benefit?
Oh, ma'am,
Okay?
see, ma'am, confidence तभी बढ़ेगा मैम जब face to
I
face.
had issue, but during storytelling, I had on the camera because I had to manage whole day, no, ma'am. Online classes. I'll be having so many.
Okay, प्रभात सर, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Rest, बाकी लोग.
Preeti ma'am, Khushi ma'am, Pragyan Parimitananda. Please turn on your camera. Yes, also Shikha ma'am.
Shikha ma'am.
Pankaj sir.
Next, who wants the story? Like switch on the camera quick and come forward. Quick. Don't waste anybody's time and come forward. Who wants stories? Whose turn is next? Come forward quickly. We don't want to poke you up for this to come forward. Okay, Sheetal ma'am. Sheetal ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
your 3 words are river, notebook, and bird.
River.
No. I'm giving the word. Nobita,
Okay,
Doraemon, and Dora cakes.
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Doraemon, Nobita, Dora cakes. 3 words.
Ma'am, basically we are going to make another episode of Doraemon. Okay, ma'am. Go
Yes,
for it.
ma'am. Actually, I'm bad at storytelling, but I try my best.
Ma'am, this purpose it is here, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's why I'm doing that.
No problem, ma'am. Everybody will enjoy. You start.
Nobita, Doraemon, Dora cakes, right? It's a simple story. One day, Nobita went for the school, but in between the road, Jian came and said that you have to come with one gadget that come with the gadget from the Doraemon. The gadget will make Jian sounds. The sounds more precious because Jian.
Precious word is not used for songs. We use melodious.
Yes.
Melodious.
Okay. For the melody, for more melodious, because Jian thinks that because of her singing, because of her sound, because of his voice. Sorry,
Good.
because of his voice. Uh, there's something is not good. I'm not good at storytelling. Sorry,
No,
ma'am.
no, बेटा try ऐसे सीखोगे, try करो बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं हटना है.
Okay. Then he said that you have to come with the gadget. Then he go. Nobita
ठीक है बेटा, okay.
Nobita went. What?
नहीं बेटा, वो खुशी
Nobita
खुशी
went
ठीक है.
to Nobita went to home and asked Doraemon to give any gadget which help to Jian that make his voice more melodious. But Doraemon said no, I will not give it to him because he will misuse that gadget. So I will not give him. So he what we call use word for the lalach.
That greedy.
Greed.
Okay, yes, greedy. So Nobita gives him like Dora cakes. He gives greedy.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं use होगा.
No.
Greedy word will be used like he gave a greed.
He gave a greed. He gave a greed to the Doraemon that if he gave Dora cakes, then sorry, if he gave gadget, I will like he will give 1 dozen of Dora cakes. So when he heard this thing, then he will give two gadgets to Nobita. Then Nobita will just grab those gadgets and just ran out. Then but he didn't give that Dora cakes. That's why somehow the Doraemon knows that thing, that Doraemon knows that thing. Nobita is just making fool of him. That's why he gave two gadgets. That one gadget will make voice more terrible. So he gave that, and the Nobita gave both of the gadgets to the Jian. Then when the Jian used that gadget, his voice his voice being so terrible, and that's why he beaten up the Nobita. And he was cried. Then after crying, he again go back to the Doraemon. That's it. That's the story. It's
Very well tried. Very well tried, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Seriously.
I don't know.
Very good.
Ma'am, I want to give a big feedback.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
मैम शीतल मैम स्टोरीज बड़ी छोटी लंबी सिंपल होती है स्मॉल व्हाटएवर इट मे बी अगर उसमें स्टोरी रहने से इट विल
Actually, your voice is breaking, I think so, or my network is bad.
Padmaja ma'am, write it in the chat box and she'll read it. Okay?
Ma'am, am I
Yes,
not
exactly.
audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
या स्टोरी बड़ी और छोटी हो उसमें स्टोरी रहनी चाहिए. So you had a story even though it was there were so many pauses, but still you had a story and it was amazing. So don't think it's simple or it's amazing like that. Nothing. If you have a story in your storytelling, then everything will be superb.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank
so
you so
see the
much.
chat box. You have got a lot of compliments. Okay, that's quite great. Okay, who's next? We are having raised hands of Poonam ma'am. Is it Poonam ma'am or Shruti ma'am? Please confirm me once so that I can decide who's there. Dora cake for me. Okay, Darshini ma'am also wants Dora cake. Okay, so who's there? Like, who wants the words first?
Yes, ma'am. First, ma'am.
Okay, Poonam ma'am wants it. Okay, so Poonam ma'am, we are having 3 words that.
No, ma'am. Shruti. I am Shruti.
Oh, so sorry.
Yes,
Shruti
ma'am.
ma'am, we are having 3 words as television, cat, and
Ma'am, first word is television.
television, TV.
Okay.
Television, cat, and a finger ring. Ring, like engagement ring type ring. Okay.
Finger ring. I don't know.
रिंग रिंग रिंग, अरे यार मेरा तो नेट मतलब यहाँ पे लाइट भी नहीं, मैं क्या बताऊँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Rings, engagement ring, you can understand the ring, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. So who's telling? Shruti ma'am, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Start.
Give me some seconds, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Television, cat,
Ring and
finger ring. 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 Okay, ma'am. Uh, Once upon a time, I was in my home and I was feel relaxed. Then I turned on my TVs and I saw the channel was Doraemon.
We are like, oh my god, we are so stuck at Doraemon. Everybody over here loves Doraemon, I guess. Okay,
No, ma'am.
continue.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
And
we might be having Shinchan levels too, but no issues. Continue, ma'am.
Doraemon and the Novita's channel is very good. I see and I enjoying my Doraemon channel. Then I just hear some voices of a cat who's meow meow. Then I saw here and there, and I see that I was on sofa and behind the sofa there is a cat who is meowing. And I sadly get under the sofa and see it. She was very cute, and I go to the kitchen and I take some milk and give to the cat. He was very cute and he started the what is ma'am? He started the drinking the milk, and that was so interesting. And I feel so. Uh, the cat was seeing me, and there was a ring in my hand, and the cat was jumping on me, and he get my ring, and he was playing with it, and we are now enjoying, and I play with her, and she was also playing with me. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, Satakshi ma'am.
जी मैम.
Sorry to interrupt, but who's this CDHR? One more. First, I thought I texted.
No,
कौन?
don't worry. It's me. It's me.
Who is that
Okay,
person?
Dinu sir.
Who is that person?
Okay. Oh,
It's me, man.
I thought Siddhi ma'am is writing.
That's what I was confused that I am not texting from here. Who is texting?
Okay, so who's next? Who's next? Come quickly. We don't have that much time. Come quickly. Who's that?
Who is texting?
What?
It's me, ma'am. It's me.
Who me?
Hope you know my voice.
Ma'am, Dinu sir is there.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay, Haritha ma'am. Haritha ma'am, please be quick.
Yes, ma'am.
And why so low?
Yes, ma'am.
Some more louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now I heard it. Okay, so your three words are apple, like apple, eating apple, okay? So apple, book, and what we can have? Apple, book, and ma'am, add something. Sakshi ma'am, add something. I'm like missing a word.
Ah, Satakshi, apple, and Satakshi, apple, and Satakshi, apple.
Ma'am, book. Continue, ma'am.
Book.
Yeah, okay.
Satakshi ma'am, apple and book.
Yeah, okay.
Huh? Satakshi ma'am, apple and a book.
1 second.
कंफ्यूजन ही कंफ्यूजन है, सॉल्यूशन का पता नहीं, सॉल्यूशन तो मिला ही यार, ना पता नहीं, दिल जो तेरा बात बात पे घबराए, तू ईद है प्यार से उसको बदलाए।
Ma'am, I
मेरा
will
सॉन्ग
done
सुनो,
it in short.
हरिता मैम, हरिता मैम, दिस इज माय सॉन्ग, ठीक है? लिसन टू माय सॉन्ग, हरिता मैम, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
1 2 3 4। दिल जो तेरा बात बात पे घबराए, ये इडियट है प्यार से इसको समझाए, तो होश निकाल तुझे बजा, सिटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल, टा 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 टा। चलो बोल, जल्दी बोलो।
Aitha ma'am, start.
Yes, ma'am. I will done it in simple way. There was a book.
Simple,
Which
not
was
simple.
written by Satakshi ma'am. The book name is An Apple. That's it, ma'am.
ठीक है, बुक के लिए बोला तो बात नहीं, मेरे नाम पे करके क्यों बोला? तारीफ ही कर देते मेरे लिए एक दो लाइन तो सॉरी पड़ जाती।
Aitha ma'am, your story was like one-liner basically.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ended. Ma'am, be more creative. We need some other story. We are not like as an audience we didn't like it. We need another story. Be more creative. अरे यार.
Guys, I think I'm the only boy here. What about other boys?
What? Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I think I'm the only boy here. What about other boys in your classes?
Sir, please see. We are having Mayank, sir. We are having very complex.
Ma'am, I am here, sir.
Okay, sir. Actually, yeah, only Mayank sir.
Dinu sir.
Only Mayank sir is there. What about others?
Dinu sir.
हाँ मैम बोलिए.
Open up your camera, sir. Today you told yesterday that you will open the camera.
Sir will tell the story after
Okay.
everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So, Haitha ma'am, continue. Haitha ma'am, audience is waiting.
Yeah, ma'am. There was a poetry. Her name was Satakshi ma'am. She is trying to write a poet. In her poetry, she wants to write an inspirational story.
Right
So,
नहीं.
she has taken
She
a book.
also right. जो चीज हो चुकी है, we use the word wrote. Right? Wrote, written.
Okay. She was writing. She was thinking to write a book in which she includes an inspirational story of a boy. By thinking the story, it went night, so she is feeling hungry. She ate an apple and slept.
Where is my apple? I want apple.
Ma'am, are you on diet?
Okay, no problem, ma'am. Your story was simple, short, and cute, but you would have like said a lot more. No problem. So who's next? Come up quickly.
Dinu sir.
Ma'am, I don't know what's happening here. Can you please explain me what's happening
Sir,
here?
we are creating.
camera.
Sir, we are creating stories over here.
Okay. May I know the concept?
Yes, we'll be giving you 3 words, and you have to make a story of it.
Okay. I will try my best. Give me 3 words.
Okay, your 3 words are Rakhi ma'am. Lantern दे दे क्या?
बस दिनु सर का कैमरा ऑन करवाओ.
मैम Rakhi ma'am, वही जो उनको दिया था. 3 words.
मयंक सर वाला.
मैम चैप्टर. मयंक सर वाला Rakhi ma'am देंगी फिर. Rakhi ma'am.
हाँ.
मैम मयंक सर वाला.
Dinu sir.
What happened, ma'am? I want some energy from you. Actually, since you are lazy, I'm also becoming lazy.
Because you're not opening the camera, sir. That's why I'm becoming lazy right now.
So Rakhi ma'am.
From the starting itself, you are lazy, ma'am. I'm pointing out. You know.
Sakshi ma'am. Sir, Sakshi ma'am.
Okay.
Oh,
Do you want
there's a
me
recording
to-
going on.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 words are white. नहीं. हाँ, bike. Okay, bike. X. AXE. X.
Kulhani wala
Ma'am,
hai.
those words are already used.
I know that's why we're
Someone
doing the
asked,
same.
Axe. Okay, axe. Okay, next.
Huh. And bike,
Ma'am,
eggs,
why don't
And
you give
cactus.
garbage
and
also?
dinosaur.
Garbage.
And dinosaur.
Yeah?
Or ma'am, cactus.
I made a joke.
Garbage would be
I made a joke.
more fun.
clarify the word. Clarify the word.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक
Main
है
word.
चुप चुप चुप
Okay.
मैं बोल रहा
Yeah,
हूँ
first one was
क्या
bike,
गुरु सर
second one was
बाइक
axe.
एक्स एंड
Yeah.
मयंक सर बाइक एक्स एंड मयंक सर
Mayank
Mayank,
sir?
हाँ
okay, let me start a story. Okay. Uh, once there was a man whose name was called Mayank. Okay, and he was living in a village. And okay, Padmaja ma'am wants me to on my camera, right?
sir everyone wants that you should open your camera
So
because sir is the
everyone wants
camera
to see your face.
Okay. Once I finish the story, I will turn on the camera. It's sure. I
हाँ
promise. I
right
promise. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What I was saying was, once there was a village. In that village, there was a man whose name was called Mayank. Okay. What is Mayank's full name? Mayank Tomar.
तोमर
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Mayank Tomar. Okay. And yeah. He was a carpenter. Okay. He was a carpenter. Sorry, sir. Sorry for that. He was a carpenter. What he used to do. Uh, there is a place. There's a forest near to his home. What he used to do is he used to take his bike and go to that forest and cut those trees and make some doors, windows for the village people. Okay.
हाँ
Yeah, he was living happily. And once upon a time, there was a, very there was a there was a cyclone. I hope there was somewhat, what to say, what can be said. There was a heavy rain. Okay, there was a heavy rain. Okay, during the heavy rain time. Okay, during this heavy yes ma'am, he bought this bike using the
That was quite funny, Diksha ma'am.
yeah, of course. Once you do work only, you get money. So with that money only, Mayank sir bought that bike. And once upon a time, there was
Ma'am, background voice must be less so that real voice can come.
actually, once upon a time, there was a heavy rain in his place. And in that heavy rain also, he got a very good deal with someone. Okay, in that deal, he said he will be making 10 to 15 doors and 20 windows single-handedly. So in that rain, in that heavy rain, what he did now, he took his bike and took his axe with him and went to the forest. And while cutting the trees, unfortunately,
sir forest sir
unfortunately,
forest
I will add the forest. Just a minute.
yeah,
Okay.
he went to the forest.
Yeah. It is.
Okay, yeah, in the forest.
That was very well.
Okay, sir. I hope
no
there is
music
no rain over there. Sir, I hope there is no rain over there. Because the climax is coming. In this climax, once he was cutting a tree, unfortunately, what he did, cut the tree in a crossway, opposite order, in order to the it should fell down that side only, but it then falling down in the opposite side. It fell down in Mayank's head, so he died. That's all.
And he died. Mayank said, had he died?
Yeah, he has died.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Interesting story. Audience loved it.
Yeah. How was my story, guys? How was my story? Yeah, just.
Sir, you can check the chat box.
open your camera sir open your mouth Fatapat, open your camera sir
Wait,
now I want to see
just
you
a minute. Just a minute. There is someone coming in my home. I just need to check them. Wait a minute. I will turn on my
Okay,
camera.
till then we're having next person. Next person, please, Preeti ma'am. Priti ma'am?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So be a bit more creative. Your three words are key, door, and wizard.
Key, door, and wizard.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want some time to think. Can I get some time?
Yes, of course. Think, and answer quickly.
Key.
Sakshi ma'am is justifying the witch right now. Okay, who else is left? Shikha ma'am is left, I guess. Only Shikha ma'am is left? Oh, sorry, Pragyan ma'am is also left. Pragyan ma'am and Shikha ma'am. And the monitors of both the batches take the okay, yeah, Sanu. Okay, so monitors of both the batches, please take the attendance. Okay, so and Shruti ma'am and Pooja ma'am are together, so mark their attendance together too. Otherwise, one will always left. Okay, Diksha ma'am. So Priti ma'am, your time's up. Start story. Audience is waiting.
Okay, ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, I'm sitting alone here on the terrace. Please, it's horrifying.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One day there was a girl, a beautiful girl named Lily. She was walking by the road, and suddenly she saw a mansion. She tried to enter it. But she didn't find the key, and it was locked. So she was looking. She was looking for it, and she saw a man. She saw a man coming towards her. He approached her and told her about the mansion. Like it was a horror mansion, and it was closed from so many years. So she asked the man, how can she enter? How can she enter? That's all. How can she enter the mansion? Then he gave that girl the key. Sorry, ma'am, I'm not so good. So he gave. So that man gave her the key, and she entered it. And then she saw when she turned back, the man was not there. He disappeared. Then she was so afraid, and she tried to run away from there. Ma'am, what?
Sakshi ma'am.
Then
let's quickly complete the story.
Yes. Then the man summoned after her after some time, and she was like, "Who are you?" So he said, "I'm a wizard." Hello, ma'am. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
So she passed out, and when she woke up, the van was not there, and she was in a forest, and she was safe. That's all. Thank you.
Priti ma'am, very well done. And during your story, they started enjoying so much that they started talking each other in the chat box. This was not good, yeah. If someone is saying, you would have heard her now. So who is left? Please be quick. I'll see the person who has raised the hand. Please raise the hand quickly. Only there I'll consider.
Dinu sir. Where's Dinu sir?
Ma'am, BBC story is up. Okay, next. Very well done. Okay, Poonam ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
River, bird, notebook. Quickly.
River, notebook, and
bird. Chidya.
Okay. River, boat. नहीं, bird, चिड़िया.
Yeah,
Sakshi
ma'am, already in
help
camera, ma'am.
not allowed. Sorry, Shruti ma'am, help not allowed.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, not helping. She said boat.
Okay. No, it's bird. River, bird, and what I said. I forgot myself. What did I say just?
Okay.
Did I say river, bird, and notebook? Okay, continue.
River, bird, and notebook. Ma'am, it's a very short story. I create a scenery. I create a scenery and included birds fly in the sky and and I sitting on the river and
You are sitting on the river.
sorry.
How is it even possible?
Sorry. Ma'am, what is called kinara?
River bank.
Kinara is called, yeah.
River bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Dinu sir, camera is on, guys. You can meet Dinu sir now.
Continue, Poonam ma'am. You continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Dinu sir is looking so cute. Smiling.
She ma'am. Ma'am.
Shraddha ma'am, just look at that also, ma'am. That's also important.
Ma'am, this is recording.
Okay. Poonam ma'am, continue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what happened?
Sakshi ma'am, mute yourself. Poonam ma'am, you continue with this. Quickly.
Okay.
Come on, Poonam ma'am, you can. Come on.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I am sitting on the table in bank of river and I started reading books and also I saw some birds fly in the sky.
Poonam ma'am?
Yes,
This was
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Shraddha ma'am, Poonam ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Open up your camera once, please.
Ma'am, I have no data. So
Okay,
that
okay. So just do one thing. Breathe in.
Yes, ma'am.
Breathe in.
Okay.
Breathe out.
Yeah.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Yes, ma'am.
All is well. Be confident.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do it. Come on. Say the story. Confidently.
Ma'am, once again.
Okay, just sing a song with me. Okay, come on. जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके बोलो गाओ
सिटी बजा के बोलो सिटी बजा के बोलो ऑल इज वेल
फिर जब हमें ये हम सॉन्ग सुनते हैं तो हमें इस प्रैक्टिकल मैनर में तो अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा लाइफ में या नहीं करना पड़ेगा
यस मैम
दिल जो तेरा बात बात पे घबराए ये इडियट है प्यार से इसको समझाए तो होश घुमा सीटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल
Poonam ma'am, you're getting so much of support in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Go for it.
Thank
Go
you,
for it.
guys. Ma'am, it's a very little story, and I share with you.
Okay, ठीक है. Poonam ma'am, we will have another story tomorrow. You prepare by yourself, okay? And we'll have tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so guys, the meeting comes to an end. The
Ma'am,
day gets
Sanubha
over.
ma'am is there. Like
Okay, Sanubha
she
ma'am.
was waiting from long. Okay, so Sanubha ma'am, I need a comedy story from your side.
Okay, I will try. Ma'am, words?
Okay, words I'll be giving school, 2020 and Corona.
Just a second. School, 2020 and Corona.
Yes. I need a comedy story. Like ending should be positive. So I need a comedy story only.
Acha, ending should be positive and it should be a comedian story. Okay.
Like ending of this class should be positive, and I need a comedy story. What I'm saying is.
Okay.
Go for it,
Sure.
ma'am.
So just allow me for some time. Okay.
Okay, anyone of you can sing a song till the time she's preparing for a story. Sanubha ma'am, okay, Sanubha ma'am, sing a song. Inspired of story, sing a song for us.
अच्छा ऐसा करो. Okay. Which song?
Any song of your choice. Anything dedicated to me. Anything dedicated to me. Any song dedicated to me.
Okay. Okay, let me think.
You have to think for it.
Okay, ma'am. Dedicated to you.
Guys, cheer her up on the.
अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो
तेरे लिए
Sanubha ma'am.
जिया मैं
खुद को जो यूं
Sanubha ma'am.
हाँ जी मैम.
टीम लीडर कौन है?
टीम लीडर कौन है मतलब?
टीम लीडर कौन है? हाँ, तो मेरे साथ धोखा हो रहा है ये ना. आप मतलब मेरी टीम छोड़ के.
Okay, Sanubha ma'am, let me complete the lyrics. Sanubha ma'am, let me
Okay.
complete the lyrics. Okay.
Wait.
Sakshi ma'am.
Sakshi ma'am, wait. Okay, Sanubha ma'am, complete with the story. Okay, then we'll stop the recording and we'll be having some informal talk. Okay.
Yes.
First complete the
Yes.
story and we'll stop the recording. Sanubha ma'am, go for it.
Then we'll start the game. After the recording got stopped, we'll start with the game. Okay.
Yeah, we can then do anything. Okay. After the recording is stopped. Okay. School, 2020 and Corona. Go for it.
Sanubha.
Yes, ma'am. So, okay. One day, a boy was one day a boy went to school, and it was a too terrible situation. Okay. So if we are, ma'am, just a second, I will just think over it. Okay, and just start. Okay, just allow me for 5 seconds.
Okay. Sure. Poonam ma'am, if you want, like we will have after this meeting, we will have a small, like an open mic something. Like we'll have singing and all this stuff. If you want to enjoy, you can. If you don't want, you can leave, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I have no data, so.
Okay, baby, you can leave then. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shraddha ma'am, can you please give me some other words, because I'm thinking that how I will create like comedian story for this verse.
Okay, I'll give you Sanobar, song, and guitar.
That will be fine. Okay. Okay, so once upon a time, not once upon a time, one day, I was like Sanoba was singing a song. Okay, so it was too romantic. too romantic that we can't imagine also. I was in full mood, literally in mood that okay, that I have to just song a romantic song, and it should be like the feelings should be very pure for that song. So I just decided to go ahead, and after that I just thought there was some kind of a thought that okay, if I will sing a song with the help of a guitar, then it will be looking very cool, you know, like it will be playing some kind of a background music and all, and it will be so appreciable. And we know like there are many competitions who are like there are many people who are organizing such kind of song competitions and all. So I just decided, so I just took a guitar and was playing. Okay, so at the same time, what I came in my mind that okay, if I will try for a particular music, okay, so it will be like okay, it will be go like beyond means it will be in the different track. Okay, so I just thought to play some kind of a music which will be very simple, okay, and which will be playable so that I can play it very well. So at the same time, I just start playing guitar. So there was a thinking in my mind, and the song was okay. Ah, and as soon I just played it, so I just loved it like anything. So this is the small story.
Very good, amazing. Okay, so Siddhi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can close this recording now. Like we will start with our own informal communication like, type of thing with the interns.